Hi, and welcome back. I am Danilo Romolini, and today I brought you to a corner of paradise in Tuscany. We are on the Tuscan coast in one of the most desired locations of this region, Monte Argentario. And as you can see, we are on one of the highest points of this mountain. And this location wasn't chosen by accident. In fact, many years ago, it was chosen by the Italian Royal Navy for its 360-degree view panoramic position. The property we are about to see is a former maritime traffic light that has been now restored and converted into a luxury villa. Something really special and never seen before. Are you ready? Come with me. Let's now talk about the history of this property. It was built in the second half of the 19th century by the Italian Royal Navy because of its incredible dominant position. It was then converted into an artillery position during the World War II, and it was equipped with cannons and anti-aircraft guns. Then in 1959, in the 28th of April, it was sold to a private owner that had the dream of converting it into a luxury home. We are roughly 371 meters above sea level, and the property is surrounded by 2.2 hectares of land, entirely covered in gardens and paved terraces. Let me now show you one of them. To have such an external space in this location is absolutely incredible. You have a view on the sea all around, and right behind me you feel like you nearly touch the Tuscan Archipelago. In fact, there is the island of Giglio over there, and on a clear day you can even see the island of Monte Cristo, Giannutri, Corsica and Elba. La prima volta che sono venuto in questo posto vedevo solamente blu e non riuscivo bene a capire dove finisse il mare e cominciasse il cielo. Da quassù sembrava veramente di essere in paradiso. Con questa vista infinita sembra di volare. When the owner arrived to this place, this lighthouse was just a pile of stones. In fact, after World War II, it was completely destroyed and abandoned. So the owner arrived here and built back this property from the foundation to the roof. And he not only brought here electricity, water, sewages, he also did that in one of the most protected areas of Tuscany. In this little booklet, you can see all of the pictures from the restoration. And now that we've seen all of the exterior spaces, let me show you the inside. As soon as we walk inside, you realize how much light there is shining through. In fact, thanks to these 4 windows, you have an amazing view on the sea, and by opening them, you can also walk in and out of this room, arriving to the terrace, and this creates an incredible living experience for the summertime. The whole ground floor is covered with this beautiful travertino marble with this sand color that reminds me of the sand from the sea. And it is all an open plan. In fact, over there is the living area with fireplace. Then on my left there is a powder room. And right behind me, we arrive to this dining area connected to this beautiful kitchen. On the first floor, we find this beautiful dark oak parquet floor and 3 bedrooms, each one with its ensuite bathroom. There are 2 double bedrooms right behind me. And passing through this door, we get to the master bedroom with a view on Isola del Giglio. This room is full of light, thanks to these 4 big windows that give you an incredible view on the sea all around. You can also enjoy from here some incredible sunsets. It is really spacious and it has air conditioned. Whereas over there is the ensuite bathroom with shower. We're now on the second floor of the Lighthouse. Here we find 1 bedroom, which is pretty much the same as the one we've seen on the first floor. It has 2 windows, air conditioned, and on my right, the ensuite bathroom. Let me now show you one of the best spots in the whole villa, the rooftop terrace. From up there, the view is incredible. Follow me. From this terrace, you really understand why this lighthouse was positioned right here. The view is incredible, and from here you see everything. I've never seen something like that. I hope to show you this property when you come to Tuscany, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. See you soon. Ciao.